Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Warzone 3 keeps crashing on PC. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with Warzone 3 here and it's crashing on your PC, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first that you could try doing here is you want to make sure that your PC has enough resource to work on. Now, in this case, you may want to close any other apps that you're not using. So in this case, just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard to open up Task Manager. Now, you want to go and close any apps that you're not using, like for example, Google Chrome that uses a lot of memory here. So in this case, close this up, right click on it, and basically click on the End Task option. Now, I want to do this for any other app that you're not using. So for example, if you're using multiple browser, go ahead and close the other browsers as well, and any apps, again, that you're not using. So just focus on playing the game, close any other app. Now, once you've done that, run, in this case, Warzone, and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your GPU is fully updated. So you want to go to search here, click on your GPU, or search for your GPU driver. So if you're using NVIDIA, obviously you want to open up the NVIDIA app here. And you want to go to drivers at the left side here. And just click on install, update, or something similar to that, or download. And just let it update and just restart your PC and see if that actually helps your issue. Now, if none of this actually work, I would recommend you to lower the settings for Warzone 3. So in this case, if you're using like high quality or a higher resolution, maybe lower the quality a bit down, like use medium or low. If you medium, you can handle medium, because sometimes it's the load that's crashing Warzone 3. So in this case, lowering the setting or the specs, settings, the video graphic settings here can actually help you a lot. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.